Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the updated voice room tour. Join chorus. The schedule. Chorus room 1 with Mr. Hutchins Roy join chorus today. Here I put benches. Make wise choices so you can learn, so you and others can learn. Use good manners and be respectful of others. Speak, sing, and play when directed by your teacher. Involve yourself in all activities, care for others, and the music equipment. May I present? You haven't seen this one since September. I put a bench in here, I put different charts. Other stuff. This was going to be our agenda. I never used it. Folder storage. Here's where I keep all the piano for piano class. This is what my office turned out to be. I never decorated it because there wasn't time next year. Here I put amps, storage, cart, recording studio. Stuff for music theory, drums, cubes, coffee table. If you see, I got rid of the lockers. The kids kept it messy, so I took them. Folders, the mini classroom library, small group area, my teaching space, and my desk area. More folders. Kernan Center, which is changing next year. See you in the next video. The chairs I'm keeping. The next part. Drawing chorus. I got rid of the lockers. All the carpets. Folder organization. The studio. And the keyboards. I'm getting rid of one by one. I'm doing several for each group. Turn-in center. Passing back work. This room is going to be a storage room next year. Schedule board, drums. The pillows. Inquire on boards. Thank you for watching.